video we are going to see how to cook sambar with ground spices. It's an authentic South Indian stew made from lentils and spices. It's best served with rice. Let's see the ingredients needed for this recipe.
One-fourth cup of tur dal, one small lemon-sized tamarind. I have soaked the tamarind in water for half an hour. Today I am using white pumpkin. You can use any other vegetables according to your wish, like lady's finger, drumsticks, or carrot, or anything. And 1 tomato chopped and bit of curry leaves. First, what you need to do is wash and cook the tur dal in a pressure cooker for 6 to 8 whistles. I have added 2 cups of water for 1/4 cup of tur dal. You need to pressure cook for 6 to 8 whistles. Some people cook sambar with ready-made sambar powder, but today I am going to show you with fresh spices grinded. So the ingredients for the paste are 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 4 to 5 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and half teaspoon of fenugreek. I'm going to fry this and make it a ground paste with coconut oil. And finally, I'll be adding 2.5 tablespoons of shredded coconut. So let's see how to cook now.
Now we are cooking tur dal in the pressure cooker in the high flame. And leave the cooker for 6 to 8 whistles. Make sure the water doesn't get dry.
Now to fry the spices, I'm adding coconut oil. Heat the pan, add the coconut oil, then you can add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon fenugreek, and 4 to 5 red chilies, and just fry it till it's golden brown. Adding these fresh spices gives the sambar a very good taste. The spices are being fried now. In the meantime, I have put off the pressure cooker. The tur dal is cooked now. So don't open the pressure cooker once you're off the flame. Just leave to 5-10 minutes for the pressure to come down. So I think you can see the chana dal and urad dal, the color has been changed. Yeah. Just keep on sauteing. If you leave, it might be overcooked, overburnt. So now the color has been changed. At this time, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut. Just saute it. Don't fry it. Don't fry it till the coconut color changes. Now you can add some asafoetida. I forgot to tell before.
It's called perengoyam in Tamil.
So fry all these in a low-medium flame. Now it's time to. Now heat the pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. And for seasoning, I'm adding mustard, half teaspoon mustard. If you want, you can add urad dal, but today I'm adding only mustard. So let it get spattered.
Just burst.
Once the mustard is done, I'm adding curry leaves. I'm adding chopped curry leaves because you know the kids are really cheeky. If you put the curry leaves in whole, they take it out. Now I'm adding white pumpkin. You can even add onions. As I said you today, my cooking is onion and garlic free. If you want, you can add onions. But adding onions to the sambar, the taste is different when adding onions. The taste is more good when adding onions, especially small onions. If you're using small onions, you can add like 10 small onions. Then you need to fry the onions first, then you can add the vegetables. So today I'm not using onions, so I'm straight away cooking with the pumpkin. Just leave for a minute. Keep on stirring frequently so the vegetable will not be burnt. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes and just cook for 1 minute. In the meantime, I've got the tamarind extract. So once the tomato is being cooked a little bit, then we can add this tamarind water. Now let's check the tur dal that is cooked. So when I'm taking the whistle up, can you see there's no pressure coming out? So now it's safe to open the cooker now. Let's check. Yeah, it's cooked. So now, as in Indian cooking, we mostly use the turmeric powder, which is good for the health and it is a good antibiotic. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You need to smash the tur dal like this. Tur dal is well cooked. Today I'm making the sambar for 4 people. If you want, you can add some more tur dal. You can add for half a cup if you wish to have a sambar very thick. Today I'm using the ground paste, so this sambar will be a bit more thick. Now the tomatoes are really cooked now. So I'm going to add the tamarind water, the extract, tamarind extract, yeah. And leave it to cook. I'm going to add salt. I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of salt today. Add the salt, mix well and keep it in a low medium flame and close the lid, and you can cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. So the raw tamarind smell will go away if you cook for nearly 7 to 8 minutes. So let me close the lid and let it be cooked. Now it's time to grind the paste. Just add some water when grinding because we're going to make this, it's a wet paste. Even you can add this like dry powder, that gives a different taste, but I'm going to grind this with water now. Some people they don't add coconut for regarding health benefits. Some people they don't like coconut, so you can avoid coconut and you can make it a dry powder if you want. Now the paste is ready. Let's grind it well now. It's nearly now 6 to 8 minutes. Let's check the pumpkin now. Can you see the tamarind water, even the color has been a bit changed. The raw smell should have gone now. So now we can add the ground paste. You can add more water. As I said, this sambar will be a bit thick. So if you want to have a little bit watery, you can add some more water. And let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Let me check if the pumpkin is cooked. It's half cooked. Let me leave for 2 to 3 minutes. So this ground paste will be cooked. Let me close the lid and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's check, it's 2 to 3 minutes done now. So try to stir for every 1 to 2 minutes because it might settle down because we have got the ground paste, it's a thick paste. So now it's time to add the dal. Let me add some water. You can add water to your consistency. I don't have any measurement for the water. I have taken now 2 cups of water. I'm adding 2 cups of water now. Sambar. Just mix well. This sambar is special for my whole family. In those days, my mom used to make this sambar. We didn't have like sambar powder. This was the sambar my mom used to make. It's very tasty. My kids love this sambar. My husband especially. When you're adding some other vegetables like drumsticks or lady's finger, it depends. Sometimes some vegetables take some time to cook more. As I've added pumpkin easily cooks easily. So I've added the dal now and leave this to be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Try to stir it after 1 to 2 minutes. Let me close the lid now and leave for another 2 minutes. Now the sambar is ready. I can get a nice aroma. This is the water consistency. So you can eat this sambar with rice. Each vegetable gives the sambar a different taste. For every sambar, it is best to add small onions. Now it's cooked now, you can switch off the flame. You can add fresh coriander leaves on top.
You can have the sambar with the rice. It best suits with the potato fry as a side. We also cooked vada today, urid vada. I'm having that along with the sambar rice. That's good.